Today we are going to make Kolmi green, which is water spinach. And before that, I will request you to please like Jai Kadai Katha English and write a comment in the comment section as Jai Hind Jai Bharat. And let's start. I've taken the Kolmi Saag or the Kolmi green. I'll remove the hard part of the stem of the leaf, so that it doesn't bite to your teeth. So all the this is worth 10 rupees of Indian currency. So this is enough for two people. So I'll be cleaning in this manner and remove the hard stem of all the greens, water spinach greens. So I'll cut the greens into 1 by 2 and shred all the leaves into very finely, and this is coming in a single cutting. So the cutting is done. I will wash and keep it for draining the water separately for 10 minutes so that it drains out all the water completely. And in the chopping board, I'll do the chopping of garlic and cut the green chili into small pieces. So green chili is done and garlic is getting done, completed. So once this is done, I will take a non-stick fry pan, put little oil and put Najila seed, which is called kalonji in Bengali or English or Hindi. I put the garlic and put green chili as well and saute it for 20 seconds, and after that I'll put the Kolmi green, which is water spinach. I'll saute it in that non-stick fry pan and cover. After removing the cover, I'll again saute it. It will take 6 to 7 minutes in cooking in this manner. I'll put little salt, little turmeric powder and saute it along. This is very tasty. I'll again cover it and remove the cover after 4-5 minutes. And this is really amazing, and with this we can eat lot of steamed rice, and it is so tasty, so flavorful, and this is available during this part of the year. Thank you for watching Jai Sri Kadai Katha. I am adding little sugar before removing it, and please request you to please subscribe and share it with your friends and families. See you in another recipe in the next video. Bye bye for now.